Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for those seeking natural ways to repair nerve damage. Neurologists hate this: the 6 vitamins that repair nerve damage naturally. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable health insights. Let's jump right in. Understanding nerve damage. Nerve damage can be a debilitating condition affecting millions worldwide. Whether it's caused by injury, inflammation, or underlying health issues, finding natural solutions is always a priority. Neurologists play a crucial role in managing nerve-related conditions, but did you know there are vitamins that can aid in the repair process? Vitamins like B12, B6, and E may support nerve repair, promoting overall neurological health. Consult professionals for guidance. Number 1. Vitamin B complex. Our first powerhouse is the vitamin B complex, comprising B1, B2, B6, and B12. These vitamins are essential for nerve health. They support the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerves, ensuring optimal function. Foods like fish, poultry, eggs, and leafy greens are rich sources, but sometimes supplementation is necessary, especially for those with deficiencies. Vitamin B complex aids nerve health by supporting the myelin sheath. Rich food sources include fish, poultry, eggs, and leafy greens. Supplementation may be necessary for deficiencies. Number 2. Vitamin D. Next up is the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D, beyond its role in bone health, vitamin D promotes nerve repair and function. A deficiency in this crucial vitamin has been linked to nerve-related disorders. So get some sunlight exposure and include vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy, and mushrooms in your diet. Number 3. Vitamin E. Moving on to vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds are excellent dietary sources. Including vitamin E in your routine can contribute to the overall health of your nervous system. Number 4. Vitamin C. Now let's talk about vitamin C, not just for immune health but also for nerve support. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen formation, essential for maintaining the structure of nerves. Citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers are fantastic sources to include in your diet. Number 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. We can't forget about omega-3 fatty acids, found in abundance in fatty fish like salmon and flax seeds. These healthy fats play a vital role in nerve cell structure and function. Including omega-3s in your diet can help reduce inflammation and promote nerve repair. Number 6. Coenzyme Q10. Our penultimate vitamin is coenzyme Q10, TOQ10. This powerful antioxidant aids in energy production within cells, boosting nerve cells. While our bodies naturally produce CoQ10, supplementation or including foods like fish, organ meats, and whole grains can be beneficial, especially for nerve repair. And there you have it. These 6 vitamins can be your allies in naturally repairing nerve damage. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or starting any supplementation regimen. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell for more health tips and insights. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.